The shear center is a point on the section that the shear force passes through and doesn't cause twisting of the section. And for example, if we look at this I-beam, it'll look something like this. And if a force is applied to it, where the line of action of the force passes through the middle of the section, then as you can imagine, we're looking at the shear flow. Using the shear stresses, we have resultant forces acting in these directions. So if you take moments about the shear center, then the resultants in the flanges produce couples that act to oppose each other, and the line of action of the force in the web passes through the shear center. So this section will not twist. However, if this load P was applied off-center and gets transferred to this part of the flange, then you can imagine that the section is going to twist. And similarly for a T section, the shear center is at this point. So the resultants here in the flange are going to produce opposing torques about the shear center to prevent the section from twisting. And the line of action of the force in the web passes through the shear center, so that won't cause any twisting of the section. Now for this channel section, we have resultants in the flange acting as follows. So this couple would produce a torque that acts like this, and we have the following resultant force in the web. So therefore, if a shear force passes through this point, then the section would still twist. So therefore the actual shear center is somewhere here at some eccentricity from the section, and the shear force must pass through the shear center to prevent this section from twisting. So in this case, you have a couple produced by the flange, and the web also produces an equal and opposite moment to prevent that section from twisting. And for this section, the shear center is at this point. So where the shear force passes through the shear center, this section would not twist, because as we can see, the lines of action of the resultant forces in the flange and web pass through that point and produce no torque. Please subscribe, like and comment to help me reach more students.